Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another quick video. Today we're going to be looking at the official silicone case from Huawei for the P20 Pro. I picked this up for just under £20 from eBay. I will leave links in the description below so you guys can check it out for yourselves and potentially purchase it, but use those links in the description because it helps me out. Plus it helps you guys out getting at the cheapest price and finding someone who actually stocks it. Okay, so let's start off by looking at the packaging it comes in. Official Huawei P20 Pro silicone case. And on the back here it says hard case with soft silicone surface and superfine fabric internal lining. There's the certification that proves it's an official accessory from Huawei for their phone. Let's have a look at the actual case itself. Now the lining is a nice microfiber finish. It says here, make it possible. What I like about this case is the microfiber runs up along the edges inside as well. Now the P20 Pro is a glass device, so this stops the back of it getting scratched. But the border that runs around the actual phone itself, the frame, is metal. So this also prevents that from getting scratched up, which I think is a nice little touch right there. Let's put this on the actual phone itself. It's pretty easy to get on. I'll put it in button side first. Push it down and click it into place. No issue at all there. So let's show you around the actual case now. IR blaster cut out there. Noise cancelling mic cut out there. There you've got your power button and volume rocker. Very clicky, very responsive. Now the bottom is completely open, which is unfortunate, but it is slightly thicker than your usual silicone case. Let's bring that to focus a little bit. So the corners are pretty well protected. So if it falls on a flat surface across those corners, this will be okay, but just be careful. On this side, there's nothing at all. Now on the back, you've got a little bit of Huawei branding there, and that says, let's bring it to focus. That says the accessories designed for P series, Huawei Technologies Co. Limited, Shenzhen. It says here triple camera, and the camera cutout is perfectly done, being an OEM case. So you can see there, it's a tiny bit higher than the main camera module. We're talking less than a millimeter, 0.2 of a mil maybe. So when you do put this case on its back, the camera lenses are protected. It is a pretty nice silicone. It doesn't attract any fingerprints, as you can see there. A little bit of a warning: when you first do get this case, it will be a bit linty and static. It will pick up lint quite easily, but after an hour or two of handling the case and the natural oils from my skin getting onto it, it stops it getting lint covered. So just bear with it, guys. Another advantage is it does work with full screen protectors, as you can see here. Just switch that off. So it goes edge to edge with the screen protector. And now with a full tempered glass screen protector, there is no lip protection. But if you use it with the plastic screen protector that comes on the phone, or no screen protector, you will get some lip protection. As you can see there, I'll try and get it into focus if I can. It's a bit tricky. There you can just see the screen protector is a little bit higher than the edge of the actual. There we go, that's a better shot. It's a little bit higher than the edge of the case. So just be aware of that, guys. What do I think of it? I think it's a pretty nice case. The positives for me are the quality finish of the silicone, the ease of removal if you need to, the fact the camera lens is protected as well. That's a positive. And also that the fact it works with a full tempered glass screen protector, like the Spigen rugged armor. If you haven't seen my review of that, I'll leave a link at the end of this video for that, so check that out. This does work with the full tempered glass screen protector, which to me is quite important. I don't like the plastic one that comes on the phone itself. So do I recommend it? I definitely recommend this. I think it's a great case. Very nicely made. Let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. Now, I've got a lot more case reviews coming up, screen protectors, etc. I've already reviewed the official car kit for the P20 Pro. I've also reviewed the Spigen rugged armor, an ultra thin case as well for this phone. And I will be reviewing the screen protector you've seen on here. And also, just bring this into shot. This, you want to be checking out when I review this cable. Anyone with a Mate 10, Mate 10 Pro, or P20 Pro, or P20 even, you want to check this out. You need this cable 100% guaranteed. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon, because that way you won't miss out any videos that I upload. And please share this video in all your social media. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and peace.